If you're a small business owner, there's a very good chance you're paying more taxes than you should. Hi, I'm Lisa with LC Tax Group LLC. In this video, I'm going to break down how small business owners can legally reduce their tax bill and keep more of their hard earned money. The first thing you need to understand is that taxes are not just about filing, they're about planning. Most people only think about taxes once a year when it's time to file, but by then, it's already too late to make most adjustments. The real savings happen throughout the year. Let's start with one of the biggest opportunities: tracking your business expenses. Every dollar you spend on your business could potentially reduce your taxable income. This includes things like software, marketing, advertising, office supplies, travel, and even meals in certain situations. But here's the problem: a lot of business owners don't track everything. They either forget or they mix personal and business expenses together. A simple system, like using a separate business bank account and keeping digital records, can make a huge difference. Next, let's talk about business structure. This is one of the most overlooked areas when it comes to saving on taxes. Many business owners operate as sole proprietors or single member LLCs, which is fine in the beginning. But as your income grows, switching to an S corporation could potentially save you thousands in self employment taxes. With an S corp, part of your income is treated as salary and part as distributions, which are taxed differently. But it's not something you want to do blindly. You need to make sure your income level supports it and that you're set up correctly. Another important strategy is timing. When you earn income and when you make purchases can affect your tax situation. For example, if you're having a strong year, you might consider investing in equipment or expenses before the end of the year to reduce your taxable income. On the other hand, you might want to delay income depending on your situation. These are small decisions that can make a big impact. Now, let's talk about something many people ignore: working with a professional. Taxes can get complicated quickly, especially as your business grows. And while software can help you file, it doesn't replace strategy. A good tax professional helps you plan, not just file. They help you identify opportunities, avoid mistakes, and stay compliant. And finally, consistency is key. Tax savings don't come from one big move. They come from small, consistent decisions throughout the year. If you're a business owner and you feel like you might be overpaying in taxes, you're probably right. The good news is there are ways to fix that. If you want help reviewing your situation and building a tax strategy tailored to your business, we can help. Call or WhatsApp us today at 908 906 9024 and follow for more tips on how to grow your business and keep more of your money.